So how does completion reset work? A completion reset? Now this is new. Now this is new news, guys. Okay, pay attention. Can I still decline orders? That's a dumb question. Of course you can decline orders. They say, okay, these are just, okay. Can I still decline orders? Dashers can always accept and decline offers. Yes. They just setting the bar at a new level, 50% or you ain't getting shit. Look, this line right here, 50% or you ain't getting shit. As we introduce these Dasher rewards pilot programs in new areas, Dashers who, okay, so this is where I become Professor Trader again. I got to clean it up because it may be some good information in here. As we introduce this Dasher rewards pilot program in new areas, Dashers who have qualifying acceptance rate and customer rating have the opportunity to start fresh by resetting their completion rate. Completion rate is the percentage of successfully delivered orders out of your most 100 recent acceptances. In order to reset your completion rate, tap the link in your email, yada, yada, yada. Here's your chance to reset your completion, yada, yada, yada. So breaking news, DoorDash is going to be offering a reset to your completion rate. So tank that completion rate all the way down, okay, from 99 or wherever it said. If you sitting at a 99 completion rate right now, tank it all the way down to a safe level. Like what's the red line? 80. So tank it to like 85. If you keep your completion rate at 99 all the time, just go ahead, tank it to 85. Fuck it. Get you like 10, 15 points of acceptance for free. You feel what I'm saying? Now, if you somebody who likes to hover at 85% to 89% completion rate, you don't have that much wiggle room. Because what you got to realize is whatever your completion rate is showing you, that's not what you actually at. You actually a little bit lower than that. So you need to keep that in mind. So when they tell you if you go to 80%, you could be deactivated, that's because when they tell you 80%, you really sitting at like 60, 69, 70. Okay, because you thinking like you thinking a certain number in your head, you like, oh yeah, my completion, I didn't did this many deliveries, and then I unassigned that many. But nah, DoorDash calculations is different from yours, and they're gonna deactivate your ass and ask questions later while you sitting there talking about, no, I wasn't below 80. They're gonna be like, yes, you was, and you're not gonna have a DoorDash account. So tank your completion rate, but only do it if you keep your shit at 99. If you keep your shit at 99, you good. But if you like me and you keep your shit at 85 to 89 because you don't play no motherfucking games, then you can't have that much wiggle room. You can't work your way all the way down to 85 because you don't really know what you're working with. That's all. But yeah, if it was me, I would go ahead and tank my shit from 99 all the way down to a safe level like 85, 86, because you might as well. If they're going to reset your shit and you already keep your shit at a 99, what are you losing? You ain't losing shit. The only thing you're doing is gaining points. Boom! I'm the Dasher Trader, FDA. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps. And right now, we helping you maximize by showing you what's going on with this new DoorDash tier pilot program. We're not playing no games. They trying to run the ones on us, and we do not have that. I got the whole squad right here looking at this. And you know what? We don't like what we see. So we finna see what the hell going on. So you better beware. We've been dropping some gems in this live stream, man. I don't even do this. Once your completion rate been processed, we'll clear your completion rate history. As you build up your new completion rate, you will unlock access to the rewards according to the level of your ratings for or during. Wait, hold on. You will unlock access to your reward level according to your ratings. Okay, for a duration of either up to 50 deliveries or a minimum of 3 weeks. So hold up. What does that mean? Let's dissect that. We got to dissect that. We got to pull that apart a little bit. That's some tricky wording right there. Like the way they just tried to like manipulate them words, I really got to sit up and break that down, because what you got to realize is you can really trick somebody by the way you lay out a sentence, okay? Look at this. As you build your new completion rate, so they reset you, just like when they reset your acceptance rate, the first one you decline sends you immediately to 0. So what they saying is you will unlock access to this reward according to your level of acceptance rating, customer rating. So you still gonna get your reward. So let's say you reset your completion rate, right? You reset it. You opt in, you do the email shit, whatever. Let's say you decline your first fucking order, right? You're gonna be at 0% completion rate. The same way that when you reset your acceptance rate, right? You accept that very first order, your shit goes to 100, right? Yeah. So when you reset your completion rate, the first order you decline, your shit gonna go to 0. Now, they're not saying they finna deactivate you because you got a 0% completion rate. That's not what you need to be worried about. What you need to be worried about is if you had a high completion rate, right? Like a 67 or a 69, and you was working your way up. If you decline that first order and your completion rate go to 0, you're gonna lose access to all those rewards and perks that this whole new program is about. All the stuff they tried to outlaw in the beginning of all this that you get. The shit take 48 hours to kick in sometimes. You're gonna lose access to all of that if you drop to 0 by declining that first order. So if you reset your completion rate, don't fuck yourself over by declining that first order, basically. Go ahead, accept it, go ahead and do it and build it back up, because if you do that and you lose access to your perks and rewards, that would be redundant. That would be redundant. That's how they get you. That's how they get you right there. After the reset period, you will need after the reset period, you'll need to maintain your acceptance rate, customer rating, and completion rate within the corresponding rewards levels to keep access to the unlocked rewards. Exactly what I just said. After the reset period, you'll need to maintain your AR, your CR, and your other CR within the corresponding reward levels to keep access to unlock rewards. That means as soon as you decline that first order after your reset, your acceptance rate reset, your completion rate reset, hell, they can reset your damn customer rating for all I care. Whatever the hell they reset, you decline some shit, you just lost all your damn perks and rewards, okay? I'm gonna just keep it very, very simple. Don't decline shit, okay? If you reset, don't decline shit.